Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to math class. Today, we will decompose numbers into tens and ones. We are going to be detectives looking for the number 10. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to take, first of all, you're going to click your microphone button. You're going to take your marker tool, and let's just do a medium-sized dot. And you are going to look at in this box here. Let me highlight it for us. In this first box, with this detective and the fingerprints, you are going to find 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you can make it smaller, and I want you to circle those 10 that you found. So that is your group of 10. We have one group of 10, so I'm going to write the number 1, and then how many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write a 4. What is our secret number? 14. 14 has one group of 10 and then 4 left over. Let's go to this next box and try it. In this one, we're going to find our group of 10. So we're going to count them as I mark them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then let's circle that group so I can easily spot the 10. Okay, so then I have a pencil. I have one group of 10. So I'm going to put 1 in the 10 spot because there's one group of 10. And then how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. So there are how many altogether? 15. We're finding groups of 10 and then some more. When you're done with all of these, you're going to do these 2 fingerprint boxes and then the paw print box. Then you can click the green check mark and send it to your teacher.